In this lesson, you're going to be learning about how to modify lists in a PowerPoint. You may remember back in word processing in 7th grade where we worked a little bit with bulleted lists and also numbered lists. Well, they're very commonly used with PowerPoint presentations. So you're going to need to be able to make some changes and create lists. So that's what we're going to be doing in this lesson. You're going to download this Clean Energy Conference PowerPoint, so make sure you do that first, and then we're going to make some changes. Alright, first, let's take a look. I'm going to go down to slide number 4, and you're going to see a bulleted list here. And if you'll remember, first of all, to make it a little bit more viewable, down here we've got our little zoom slider, so I'm going to make it just a little bit bigger on my screen. You can do the same if you want. Alright, we're going to change this bulleted list to a number list, so it's really quite simple. If you'll just highlight the list, okay, and you'll go up here. There's actually a couple ways you can do it, but we're going to go ahead. You'll see that the bullets are selected here. So we're going to click down and go to bullets and numbering. And the tab that says numbered gives you a lot of different kinds of numbered lists. Let's go ahead and choose the second one. And OK. So that's all we're going to do with slide 4. Now let's go over to slide 3, and we've also got a list here, but we're going to make some different kinds of changes here. We are going to change the bullet style, and we're also going to change the color. So once again, we're going to go ahead and highlight, and we're going to go up here again to bullets and numbering, and you can see there's a lot of different styles of bullets, but I'm going to show you something you can do to give you even more choices with your shapes of your bullets. Alright, if you'll come down here, I want you to go to where it says Customize, and it's going to pull out this little symbol menu, and I want you to choose from this menu. You're going to have to scroll down. These are all in alphabetical order, but there's one that some of you may be already familiar with. It's called Wingdings. So we're going to choose Wingdings, and in here you're going to have the option of choosing a wingding of your choice. Okay, I'm not going to tell you which one you have to use, but I want you to choose one of the wingdings. I'm going to choose I think the one that's got like a little sun. Okay, and you'll see that it's going to put it in that place. And I'm going to click OK. And you can see that it puts it in here. Now there's one more thing I want you also to do here. So we're going to go right back to where we were. Let's go back to bullets and numbering. I also want to change the color and the size. So since I've got that little sun, I want to make it orange instead of something as close to orange as I can find, and I'm also going to increase it. So, oops, the other way. I'm going to put it up to 112. Okay. All right. So that's just an example of changing not only the shape of the bullet, but also the color of the bullet. Okay. So I want you to make sure you do that on slide 4. All right. Now, one more thing in this particular lesson that I want you to do. Let's come up and click on slide number 2. We are actually going to insert a new slide, and we're going to put a new list right in here. Okay, so we're going to go up here, make sure Home is selected, And your new slide, I want you to choose the one that says Title Only. Okay, and so that's going to become slide number 3 now. Alright, this title is going to be Benefits of Renewable Energy Use. Alright, the next thing we're going to do, we've got like a blank page down here, so we're going to go ahead and we're going to insert a text box. Okay, and let's make it size 24, and let's go ahead and pick whatever bullet you want. If you want to pick one of these that's already selected, you can, or you can go back to Wingdings and find your own bullet. But I do want some bullets here. And now you'll get this on a handout, but you're going to type some additional bullets. And these are going to, this is going to be a list of some of the benefits of renewable energy. Okay, and when you press enter, you'll see that it's going to create a new bullet for you. So I want you to go ahead and you will finish off the remaining bullets that are on the sheet. Alright, after you're finished, you should see something that looks like this. So with your PowerPoint, after you've made the changes to it, you're going to see that you now have 6 slides. It's already going to have its name. It's going to be the modifying list student download. So what you're going to need to do is just save the changes that you've made and go ahead and submit. Just make sure you follow the directions for modifying these bullets, and when you're done, you can go ahead and submit it, and that's it. Okay, bye.